In this video, I'll show you how to find your IBAN number using the Monzo app. It's super quick and useful if you need to receive money from abroad. First, open the Monzo app on your phone and log in if needed. Once you're in, tap on the account you want the IBAN for, usually your main pound sterling account, but you might have others like euros if you use Monzo Plus or Pro. Now scroll down and look for the section labeled Account Details or something similar. There, you'll see your IBAN, along with your SWIFT/BIC code. Both are important for international transfers. If you're sending or receiving money overseas, double-check that you're looking at the correct currency. For example, a GBP account will have a different IBAN than an EUR one. You can also tap to copy the IBAN directly from the app, which helps avoid typos when sharing it with others. And that's it. Finding your IBAN with Monzo takes just a few taps once you know where to look. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple banking tips. See you next time.